Hello vlog.
Hi.
Today is a big day. Today is 18th April. It is polling day Lok Sabha in Haflong. We are on our way to our first polling station, so which is just a few meters away from my home. But then we are traveling by car because we will be visiting different polling stations today. Altogether in Haflong there are 38 polling stations. So I don't know how many we can visit today. Polling started early in the morning at 7 and it will end at 5 p.m. So let's see. We are hoping to visit as many polling stations as possible. And Avantika, what are your thoughts?
It's a bright sunny day. I hope many people turn out to cast their valuable vote. Hopefully.
Okay, we have voted.
Yay!
We have voted. I voted in the Sanjaraji LP school. After that we went to
The Office of Sericulture, where I
Yes.
voted.
Yes. And we voted for the Congress party. Okay. Also, we are crossing Haflong Bazaar right now, and if you can see, all the shops are closed. Check out. So the shops are closed not because it's polling day, but a militant group called the DNLA has called a 36 hours band today in protest of the Citizenship Amendment Bill. So the DNLA is short for Dimasa National Liberation Army. So they have called a 36-hour band, and of course it should not affect the town, and the district administration has also announced that no band would be tolerated. But I think people just, because it is polling day, people were also happy sitting at their homes and not opening up the shops. So all the shops are closed. I don't know what is happening in other parts of the district and Karbi Anglong. Central government में around 4 lakh job vacancies है. State governments में around 20 lakhs है. And I don't know why these have not been filled up yet when people are having a crisis. They're looking for jobs everywhere. So the Congress party, on the other hand, clearly in its manifesto has given a timeline कि March 2020 तक all these vacancies will be filled up in the central government, and they would request all the state governments in certain sectors, especially education and healthcare में fill up करने के लिए vacancies to create more jobs in these sectors. मनरेगा जो एक्ट है उसमें 100 days of employment को बढ़ा के 150 days कर देगा, which is a great thing. And at the same time they will focus, मनरेगा will focus on building libraries and classrooms and preserving, regenerating wastelands, water bodies. So it will tackle two things, like you'll create employment, at the same time employment based on things which really matters, which is the environment and the education sector. I voted against Citizenship Amendment Bill because it is a communal bill. It will divide people in the lines of religion. Unfortunately, many people don't realize this, and it has turned into a battle between different religions and different tribes and communities. That is very unfortunate.
So our driver for the day is Zauku. How are you feeling after traveling so long?
We are heading now to Ramnagar polling station. Let's see what's happening there. We have visited 10 polling stations. How many more to go? 28 more.
28.
चलो नतुन बस्ती में है अभी हम लोगों नतुन बस्ती का पोलिंग स्टेशन में जाते हैं. It is 3 p.m. right now. Out of 38, this is the 23rd polling station that we are visiting, and the polling has been going good in most places, but turnout is a bit low, around 50 to 60%.
station we are in Upper Mulhoi Primary School and we have 6 more to go, but we have only 30 minutes.
Are you tired?
Yes, not so much, but then the next 6 polling stations we have to walk a lot. So I have already started playing football here.
So finally it's done. It's 5:30 p.m. and we have completed 38 polling stations, and polling has been good. No untoward incident. No such problems with the EVM machines. Early in the morning there were some complaints from some polling booths, but then the problem got solved. Vote casting percentage was around 65%, I would say. That's the average. The highest have gone up to 89-90%, but that's only few, one or two polling booths. But the rest, 60 to 65% has been the vote casting percentage, which can be much better. It's a bit on the lower side, but then I hope people, as time goes on, in the next election, people will be more active when it comes to voting, especially in the Lok Sabha elections. Out here, people are more interested and active in autonomous council elections. When it comes to the MP elections, Lok Sabha elections, people do not come out to vote. So if you're watching this and you have not voted, the next time please do come and vote, because it's our chance in 5 years to form a new government in India. A lot of political leaders have been preaching communal hate. A lot of candidates with criminal records are getting tickets. We hope that in the future we set a good example and candidates with clean records, with no criminal records, they are sent to the parliament. So till 23rd May we'll be really watching the elections closely and hoping for the best and praying for peace and love and unity.
It has been a long, hectic day, but then we enjoyed. We are accompanied by Jaupu and Ankit. I think they also enjoyed going with us to all these different polling stations. So yes, we are going home and then we will head out later to meet all the polling agents. So that's that. So until then, see ya. Bye.